I guess Wisley's got a special place in my heart because I was lucky enough to train here as a young man, and I have to say it was the best year of my life, the happiest year of my life. This amazing Suga canadensis, as a young man, that was here. It's the oldest one in the country. And this rock garden was not dilapidated, but basically being put in 1914. And this tree was one of the original plants, and it was fully clothed to the ground. And we used to have our tea under it when it's raining or when it's hot. We used to sit under it and eat ice cream. Normally at this time, I'm headlong into building Chelsea Flower Show, and I don't get to see Britain in May. But Britain in May is just stunning. You know, can't beat gardening. You just can't beat getting your hands in there. It's brilliant. The garden that we're building here at RHS Wisley is the new gardens that surround the new Hilltop Science and Education Claw building. The gardens have been designed initially Matt Keatley at the front, the Wellbeing Garden, and then Anne-Marie Powell, who's designing the Wildlife Garden, into the World Food Garden. So it's got a Chelsea feel to it. To actually be building next to Battleston Hill at the RHS, surrounded by azaleas and camellias and magnolias, and I'm building this iconic garden, it's a lovely legacy for me to be involved with actually creating and building. It's a chocolate box scheme to be building gardens around something that celebrates science and education. It doesn't get any better than that. I'm now up to 160 gardens for the RHS. 100 would have been 100 at Chelsea alone. And what I say is that these gardens, these showed gardens, give lots of people, thousands and thousands of people, not only in this country but worldwide, inspiration. Great Britain we're world class. We are world class at gardening. We're world class at growing, designing, staging and putting on these displays. And the world comes and looks at Chelsea for inspiration. And I don't think we celebrate that enough. We don't celebrate and shout that we are amazingly good at what we do. Gardening is in the DNA of the nation. I believe that. Somebody said if you find something you enjoy to do, you'll never work another day in your life, and that is what I can tell you. I've had a fantastic career. It's taken me all over the world. I've met some amazing people through it. You'll never use the word I'm bored because you're constantly learning, it's constantly evolving. I think horticulture is becoming probably more important than it's ever been. You know, going forward and climatical changes and environmental issues we have, a lot of the issues horticulture has an answer. So if there's anything good that's come out of this COVID-19 situation, that I think horticulture is being kind of put on a bit of a pedestal to, you know, and people are exploring and people are finding out and experimenting and playing around and escaping, and I think it's been a lifesaver for so many. And you know, the people that are cosseted in cities, I feel for. But if I'd have been in government, I would have opened the garden centres a lot quicker, and then social distance and say, take this stuff home and do something with it in your spaces, and put stuff on your balconies and pots and grow your herbs, and you know, everybody can have a little bit of horticulture in their life.